Today we're going to be doing another really easy science experiment. To do this, all you need is a glass of water, an ice cube, a string, and some salt. Now, right now I'm testing the ice cube. I'm holding my string on it to see if it sticks, and it did not. And now I'm going to add some salt onto the ice cube. And what this is going to do is salt lowers the freezing temperature of water, meaning that water has to be much colder than the normal 32 degrees Fahrenheit to freeze. So when we put salt on the ice cube, it causes some of the ice to melt, and that will absorb some of the heat from the surrounding area, which makes those areas colder so that they end up freezing over the string. That makes the string stick to the ice cubes, and as you can see here, I can lift these ice cubes out with the string because it got stuck in there. So this is just a really easy and fun experiment that you can hopefully try at home. Let me know if you tried it, and until next time, keep discovering.